Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to BMW X5. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set the car to pairing mode using iDrive. Navigate to Communication, choose Mobile Devices, then Add New Device. Select Bluetooth, pick your phone name from the list, and confirm the PIN when it appears. Allow phone contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and text notifications in the car. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to BMW X5. For Apple CarPlay, plug your iPhone into the car using a certified USB cable and use the dedicated USB port. When iDrive prompts, enable CarPlay and unlock your phone to permit the connection. Once active, CarPlay mirrors apps like Maps and Music and responds to Siri for hands-free control during driving. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to BMW X5. Quick recommendation: if your car could use a mood boost, Little Tree's Black Ice keeps the cabin smelling great and pairs nicely with clean tech tips. If you like what you hear, subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to BMW X5. To use Android Auto, install the app and grant microphone and location permissions on your phone. Connect via a good USB cable into the BMW USB port and select Android Auto on the iDrive screen. Approve prompts on both devices, then enjoy Google Maps, media, and voice commands safely while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.